Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 532, effective until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following county: Hancock, Ohio. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 532 has been issued from 12:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following county: Hancock, Ohio. Commercial waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the islands, Ohio. Open waters from Maumee Bay, Ohio to the islands, Ohio, until 5:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near North Cape to 10 nautical miles southeast of Bulls Harbor of Refuge to 12 nautical miles west of Put-in Bay, moving northeast at 20 knots. Hazard: wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Put-in Bay. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.